Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making homemade tortilla chips. We're going to start off with a frying pan with about 1 inch of oil in it, and you're going to cut up your corn tortillas into triangles, and my favorite brand to use is Guerrero, but you can use any brand that you'd like. So we're just going to test our oil before we actually put our chips in, and the way that I test it is by using the end of a wooden spoon, and you will see it boiling like this. If it does not do that, it's not ready yet. So our pan is ready. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. You don't want it to be cooking too high. And now I'm going to add the triangles into the pan. This particular pan usually holds about 15 to 18. Don't worry about crowding them because they will still cook. Just don't add too many. After they've been cooking for just a little while, you're going to want to flip them over after about 1 minute or so. And you're just going to wait for those to brown up. You do not want to get these super dark brown, just a light brown. You can tell that they're crisping up. And then I take them out and put them on a paper towel to drain. And I add a little tiny bit of salt on there. You don't want to oversalt them at this point because they can get really salty. And I've got another batch going, and now I'm going to be taking those out. I like using a scoop. It just seems to get them out better. And I dropped one over here, so let's grab that one. Add a little bit of salt and start another batch. And as you can see, these are super easy to make. And the salt that I use is just a table salt. I don't like to use it too coarse, and just sprinkle a little bit on each batch. And then when you're finished, you can pair them with your favorite salsa. Ours is Texas, which we love, and some yummy guacamole. It's a nice firm chip, so it will hold up really well. And it is delicious. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.